What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another quick episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I just give my thoughts and opinions about what's going on in the car community on YouTube, and we'll just discuss, guys. That's all we're here to do. If you're new to the channel, I hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world. Please do check out my other videos. It's just discussion, thoughts and opinions. I do read all your comments below, guys, and I do plan to bring up your comments every Sunday as well. On today's quick episode, just going to be covering Matt Salvo. I've been following his CNC story, and I just want to give a quick update on it and just one or two questions to you guys in California about the DMV I was curious about, and also like what he's planning to do with the Ferrari, and see your thoughts and opinions about it below. Guys, if you want, you can follow me on Instagram if you have any stories or want to come for a podcast, or if you're a small channel, stuff like that. Hit me up on Instagram, the DMs are always open. And also on the project car side of things, guys, the way things are going for me in saving for a house, I don't know if I'll be able to get a project car for the summer. Now, that doesn't mean I'm not going to do nothing. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to let the, obviously, ye watching and supporting the channel, which, you know, has been greatly appreciated by me, and you're absolute legends. So I'm trying to build up the Google AdSense. And what I'm thinking of doing is, I know I have a 2005 three-door Golf outside, and just to give you some sort of content, I do want to try and learn how to actually wrap. So what I'm thinking of doing is, if I don't get a project car, you know, the house has to come first. I have to be an adult here, guys. It's fucking stupid, I know, but I know house comes first. So what I might do is, I might just modify the Golf a small bit, like give it a wrap, a carbon lip kit, you know, lights and wheels, and maybe suspension exhaust. I don't know, I'll see. I'll see how the AdSense builds up, and when we've built up enough to get some wrap and lights, maybe it could take me 2 or 3 months. You know, I'll modify it, we see how we go. It's something for you guys. I don't want to give you nothing, and I do have some 1 or 2 vlogs planned as well over the summer for you as well. So that's just an update of what's going on with the channel too. So let's jump into today's video. Matt Salvo, just a quick one, guys. Basically, he was on Normal Car Super Guys channel, and he basically made his own story on his own channel, link in the description below, about what's happening when he bought a Ferrari 360. And his videos, he actually meets Clay at CNC Motors, which is great. So basically, he bought the car, he had a lot of issues with it, he put it back into CNC Motors. Transmission issues were the main one. They messed around with the car, gave it back to me, ended up giving it back. They still didn't give him the title. When he got the car back, basically, when he went down to get the car back, I think a second time, he met Clay. They gave him the car back, and he still had transmission issues after that. Now, when he met him, he actually said, Clay said to him, yes, we send the title to the DMV, and then they would, you know, send it to you. And he still hasn't gotten the title a month later. It's fucking nuts. I feel really bad for him. Like, it's crazy. And a lot of people are in this situation, guys, which I find absolutely insane. Now, my question to you guys is, because he hasn't gotten this, you know, title and registration, and his interest goes up, which he's saying happens as well on his loan, like with the DMV over there, can he not go down to the DMV and say, look, obviously I've got this guy's car, whoever, you know, was selling it, I think he has obviously gotten the money to be paid for it, I haven't got my title, can you not reach out to this guy? I can't understand why the DMV just can't reach out to the person that sold the car and confirm off them, saying, have you sold this car on co-assignment with CNC, and is it, you know, sold, or what's going on? And just give Matt the title. I'm just wondering from you guys if you can comment below, because it's quite, for me here in Ireland, I don't know, I think they might do it here, but I'm just curious to something he could do as an option, because without the title, I'm presuming he'll never own the car. Now, that brings me on to the next thing as well, guys, as well. One of his latest videos, he's basically saying with the amount of issues he has, he's bringing it to a Ferrari mechanic, and he's getting like the transmission fixed and all this stuff. And I read the comments on his video, and they're basically saying, do not put any money into that car because it is officially yours. So I want to know your thoughts and opinions below about this, because that does kind of make sense. If I don't officially own the car on paper, and I start fixing bits and pieces, and this guy, the seller, hasn't gotten paid, and this whole fiasco kind of gets sorted out, where if I was the seller and I want my car back, and he, you know, and Matt's out of money, and he's after going away fixing all these issues, I think you should be very careful about going out to this mechanic getting all these issues fixed could plough thousands into it, and then, you know, we don't know the outcome of the CNC Motors issue either. So I don't know, guys, let me know in the comments below what you think of this saga with should he put money into the car, or what should he be doing as well, because I mean, it sounds crazy if you put money into a Ferrari that you don't own, you know. So hopefully he can get this resolved. You know, I'm very intrigued now what's going to happen with the DMV outcome of this, because I don't know how long this is going to go on for. I'm just going to keep an eye on it, but we shall see. And yeah, let me know what you think below, guys, what you think Matt Salva should do about, you know, fixing up the Ferrari, and what he should do about the title. And I'll bring up your comments on Sunday as well. So that's it for today's quick episode, guys. Thanks a million if you watched the end. Do honestly check out my other videos. Give the channel a chance. It's just a bit of a laugh and toss of opinions. And yeah, hopefully you liked it. So do smash the subscribe button, like squad, smash the like button, please. And until the next episode, guys, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.